The amount of expertise on our floor, I believe, is second to none, that allow us to build a machine better than anything they've ever seen before.
We have a lot of really bright people that love to solve problems, and that's really what this comes down to.
We're known for building a good quality product and having good customer service.
Tri-Mation is a company that builds automated assembly equipment for value add. From a capability standpoint, we have the ability to design, machine, fab, build our own panels, program those robots. So from a capability standpoint, it's everything.
And one of the reasons we do that is so that we're in control of our own destiny. So we control as much of that as we can inside, because deadlines are always key for our customer.
So we do anything from a simple tabletop fixture that might have one or two actions, maybe even manual clamping, right, to larger assembly machines like what's behind me that will do a product from start to finish.
I mean, I believe we do build machines better than anybody else. What stands us apart is the customer service.
We will make sure that the job is done no matter how much that affects our bottom line.
That service, always trumps what you can deliver physically.
If we can get them in here and walk around on the floor and talk about their problem, or we can go to their shop floor and walk around and talk about their problem, I think that's where they start to understand that we can help them.